If you have black and white screen on Google Pixel 11, in order to fix this, you can go to Settings on your phone. Now, once you open Settings, you want to proceed to Modes, and usually over here you can see which mode is activated, which is usually a good indicator of the reason why your screen might be black and white, or why it might use the grayscale. So essentially you want to go to that mode, and you can just simply try to turn it off. And once it is deactivated, then most likely you will have your colors again. But in case that doesn't happen, you can go through the rest of the modes, and you can go to Display Settings, and you can make sure that the grayscale option is not activated, so you can turn it off. So then, even if you decide to use that mode, or if it re-enables in the future, you will no longer have the black and white screen. Usually the bedtime mode uses the grayscale option, so you might want to check out the settings for the bedtime. But of course, if you, for example, activated it for the Do Not Disturb, as you can see here, you can also turn it on for D&D mode. Or maybe you have created your own mode, and then of course, there is the chance that you have activated the grayscale as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.